Are you creating content but seeing zero results? Posting regularly but getting no engagement? Spending money on content marketing but watching your competitors steal your customers? You are not alone. In fact, 70% of Nigerian businesses are making critical content marketing mistakes that are literally killing their growth potential. Hi, I'm Tommy from Writers.ng, the Nigerian leading professional writing services. And today I'm going to expose the 5 deadly content marketing mistakes that are sabotaging your business success. And more importantly, I'll show you exactly how to fix each of them today. And the solution I'm sharing have helped hundreds of businesses to transform their content from invisible to irresistible. So grab a pen because this could be the game changer your business has been waiting for. The mistake number one is the biggest killer of all, which is writing for yourself instead of your audience. I see this everywhere. Business owner writing about what they think is important, using their industry jargon, focusing on their features instead of customer benefits. Here is the brutal truth. Your audience doesn't care about you. They care about what you can do for them. So how do you fix this? Before writing anything, ask yourself 3 questions. What problem does my audience have right now? What solutions are they desperately searching for? How can I make their life easier, better, and more profitable? At Writers.ng, our writers start every project with audience research. We create detailed buyer personas, understand pain points, and craft messages that speak directly to your customer needs. Because when you write for your audience, not yourself, engagement skyrockets. The second mistake, inconsistent posting and poor planning. The second mistake is inconsistent posting and zero content planning. You know the cycle. You post 3 times in one week, then you disappear for 2 weeks. You scramble for content ideas every time you need to post. Your audience never knows when to expect value from you. Inconsistency kills trust, and without trust, there is no sale. Here is the fix. Create a content calendar and stick to it. Map out your content themes, plan with posts in advance, and maintain a consistent schedule your audience can count on. Here's the secret most business miss. You don't have to do this alone. Writers.ng creates comprehensive content calendar for our clients. We plan your content months in advance, ensuring you never run out of engaging material. Imagine having 3 months of high quality content ready to go, posted consistently while you focus on running your business. Mistake 3, ignoring SEO and keyword research. This third mistake is costing you thousands of potential customers every month. And the mistake is ignoring SEO and keyword research. You are creating beautiful content, but nobody is finding it. You are not showing up in Google searches. Your competitors are getting all the organic traffic while you are shouting into the void. Here is the shocking statistics. 93% of online experiences begin with a search engine. If you are not optimized for search, you are invisible to 93% of your potential customer. The fix. Every piece of content needs to be strategically optimized. Research keywords your customer are actually searching for. Include them naturally in your titles, headers, and content. Create content that answers the real questions people are asking on Google. Writers.ng specializes in SEO optimized content. Our writers are trained in keyword research, search intent, and optimization techniques that get your content found. We don't just write, we write to be discovered. Mistake 4, the fourth mistake, focusing on selling instead of providing value. The mistake 4 is the fastest way to kill your content marketing, making every post a sale pitch. Buy now, limited time offer, contact us today. sound familiar? When every piece of content is a sale message, your audience tunes out. They unfollow, unsubscribe, and buy from someone who actually provides value. Here is the golden rule. Follow the 80-20 principle. 80% of your content should educate, entertain, or inspire, while only 20% should directly sell. Share industry insights, answer common questions, provide tips and tutorials, tell stories that resonate, build trust and authority first, then sales will naturally follow. At writers.ng, we create value-driven content strategies. We help you become the go-to resource in the industry. When people see you as a valuable resource, they naturally become customers. Let's move to the last mistake, which is not measuring results and adapting strategy. You are posting content, but you have no idea what is working. You don't know which post drives traffic, which generate leads, or which convert to sale. You are spending time on money with no clear return on investment. What gets measured gets improved. Here is what you need to track. Track engagement rates like likes, comment, and share, website traffic from your content, lead generation from content, conversion rate, and customer acquisition cost. But here is the breakthrough insight. It is not enough to measure. You need to adapt. Double down on what works, eliminate what doesn't, and constantly refine your approach. Writers.ng provide detailed performance reports for all clients. We track what resonates with your audience, identify high performing topics, and continuously optimize your content strategy for maximum ROI. Now, you know the 5 deadly mistakes, but here is the problem. Knowing what is wrong is only half the battle. The real challenge is implementing consistent professional solution while running your business. This is exactly why smart business owner partner with writers.ng. We don't just fix all these mistakes, we prevent them from happening in the first place. When you work with writers.ng, you get audience-focused content that drives engagement, consistent professional posting schedules, SEO optimized content that gets found, value-driven strategies that build trust, and detailed analytic and continuous optimization. We have helped over 500 Nigerian businesses to transform their content marketing from a cost center into profit drivers. We can do the same for you. Here is what I want you to do right now. Don't let these mistakes continue killing your business growth for another day. Visit writers.ng today and let's get started. Thanks for watching. I am Tomi from writers.ng, your partner in content marketing success. If this video opened your eyes to the mistakes you have been making, you are not alone. Every successful business has made these mistakes. The difference is winners fix them fast. Like this video if it helped you, share it with your other business owner who needs to see this, and subscribe for more content marketing insights that actually work. Remember, great content isn't just about good writing. It is about strategic writing that drives real business results, and that's exactly what writers.ng deliver. Are you ready to stop making these deadly mistakes? Visit writers.ng now and let's turn your content marketing into your biggest competitive advantage. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and keep succeeding. Bye.